Kids Zone with Trishy. My best pet. The best pet is a dinosaur, leaving others high and dry. A dinosaur is much more fun, and here are the reasons why. So hamsters are asleep all day. They only play at night. A dinosaur is always there to help friends fly their kite. You can't give goldfish cuddles. They simply swim about. But dinosaurs are made to hug, tickle, squeeze, and shout. Cats climb trees and sleep for hours. They never join in games. But dinosaurs just love to play and hang on climbing frames. A snake can't run or throw a stick or ride a bike or sing. But dinosaurs can do all that and push friends on a swing. Whee! Parrots can have too much to say. They fly about and squawk, while dinosaurs do magic tricks and love to sit and talk. Rabbits like to nibble carrots and dig holes in the ground. Dinosaurs love to dig holes too, the biggest holes around. Dogs can fetch and carry balls, play in the mud and bark. But dinosaurs ride skateboards and scare off monsters in the dark. Ooh. Ponies like to be outdoors, relaxing in the breeze. But dinosaurs snuggle up with friends. It can be quite a squeeze. It's plain to see that dinosaurs are better than the rest. To have a pet that is more fun, he simply is the best. The end. Thank you so much for being here, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.